Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by getting the app on your desktop and ensuring accounts are ready. First, choose the official authenticator for desktop or a trusted Android emulator. Install it. Once done, open the app and sign into the same account types you use on mobile. Make sure you have your phone nearby and any recovery codes or passwords visible. This prevents lockout during migration. Now, keep focused so you can begin transferring each account securely to your desktop authenticator. Next, perform the actual transfer for each account. On the service's security page, choose two-factor authentication, then select Transfer or Show QR/secret. In the desktop app, pick Add Account and either scan the on-screen QR with your webcam or type the secret key exactly. Once the desktop shows a time-based code, immediately test it by logging into the service and entering that code. This confirms sync. Repeat for every account, and make sure each test succeeds before removing mobile entries. Finish by enabling secure backups on the desktop authenticator. Use its encrypted cloud export or save an encrypted file. Once backed up, leave your phone's authenticator active until you've logged into all services from desktop. If codes fail, first sync the computer's clock to internet time. Time drift commonly breaks top. If syncing doesn't help, rescan the original QR or re-enter the secret and use recovery codes to regain access. These steps prevent lockout and keep multi-factor security intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.